One flag carrier doubled snack sales after pulsing cabin lights 6 times in 40 minutes. You'll spot 7 covert psychology hacks and flip each one for cashback wins. What's the strangest airline upsell you've ever caved to? Ever wonder why the air smells like warm sugar just as the seatbelt sign dings off? That aroma isn't a coincidence. It's a vanilla-lavender mist delivered through hidden nozzles above the galley. The fragrance primes hunger centers, making anything baked feel like home. Cabin sales rose 18%, carrier payout on perfume infrastructure sixfold. Pure profit. Moments later, the cart rattles past, and a 5-cookie pouch priced higher than a city bakery lands on your tray. Surveys show 9 in 10 buyers call it a celebration treat, even on red eyes when nobody celebrates. Airlines even tweak scent concentration by flight length. On hauls under 3 hours, it peaks at minute 22, exactly when drink service begins. On transatlantic legs, it pulses every 90 minutes to align with turbulence breaks. One purser jokes, vanilla is the silent flight attendant guiding the cart. Scent hijacks logic within seconds. Dab peppermint oil on your scarf before boarding. Its sharp note cancels sweetness and kills the urge. Pre-order a complimentary special meal if your carrier offers one. Dietary codes bypass the snack cart entirely. Premium cabin lounge passes usually allow sealed fruit cups to go. Ask politely, pocket them. No rule forbids fresh produce on domestic legs. One Barcelona frequent flyer swears the trick saved her 80 snack runs last year and funded a weekend on Mallorca. The European Union catalogs 26 restricted cabin emissions, but fragrances sit in a gray zone. Airlines exploit the loophole while auditors focus on ozone. Next hour, you'll learn how a similar sensory hack makes caffeine feel essential at altitude. A low-tempo soundtrack at 62 beats per minute lowered seat pitch complaints 27%, while change fee revenue leaped 32%. Mood magic. The research began when Airbus installed directional speakers in an A350 test cabin. Passengers walked in mellow, filed quickly, and settled without glancing at cramped legroom. Nobody pounced on bulkheads. 10 minutes after takeoff, the calm wears off. But by then, the cabin map has locked. Late movers must pay a digital surcharge to swap. London Heathrow trialed a birdsong mix. Seat disturbance reports fell 31%. Boarding delay fines dropped 5 crews. Music sets your spending meter. Gate agents confirm it quietly. The more relaxed the crowd, the easier it is to upsell preferred seats that cost less than a pour-over, yet churn millions across the fleet. One Dallas father learned the lesson on a midnight hop to Lima, shelling out $48 for 2 aisle swaps so his toddler could stretch. Fight back early. As soon as your group is called, step aside, open the airline app, and refresh the seat chart. Unoccupied bulkheads often appear free within 2 minutes because algorithms freeze phantom holds only until final boarding. If traveling with kids under 13, cite the Department of Transportation Family Seating Notice. Agents must reassign you without charge when space exists. EU 261 refunds trigger only for cabin downgrades. Several carriers grant same-day confirmed changes for upper-tier members, a perk anyone can unlock with one well-timed credit card promotion. Next block unfurls how cobalt blue cabin lights steal your sleep and then your coffee budget. You crack one eyelid mid-flight, and the overhead panels have shifted to a dreamy cobalt wash, the kind Instagram tags midnight sky. Cabin designers claim the hue calms nerves. Chronobiologists call it melatonin theft. Airbus labs measured a 22% dip in passenger sleep hormone within 7 minutes, while onboard sales logged a 31% spike in caffeinated drink orders on the very next trolley. Bright trick. That glow isn't soothing. It's strategy. Sleep disruption costs you more than shut-eye. On westbound red-eyes, Stanford tracked flyers who bought 2 extra coffees and a sugar pastry apiece, adding unwelcome calories and a surprise 18 charge to their travel budget. Multiply that across a full A380 in one-night flight yields the profit margin of an entire checked bag hold. One Tokyo consultant once landed jittery, skipped her prepaid rail pass, and blew triple on a taxi just to crash at dawn. Block the beam. Slip on amber glasses or cheap orange clip-ons meant for screens. They filter the 460 to 490 nanometers wavelengths that suppress melatonin. Ask crew for plain hot water. Free on every airline. Then drop your own chamomile bag or electrolyte tablet. One Boston marathoner stashes tea bags in a contact lens case. Flight attendants never refuse. Under FAA photobiological guidelines, carriers must dim lights during takeoff and landing, so you'll catch a natural blackout twice. Use those windows to reset you. EU regulators are studying blue light exposure in passenger cabins, but new limits won't land before 2027, giving airlines 2 more peak seasons to cash in. Blue light cells brew, you keep the sleep. If today's fixes just saved you a baggage fee, hit subscribe so the next hack saves you even more. Flip the seatback menu upside down before you read a price. That single move breaks the anchor illusion marketers spent years perfecting. First row, a gourmet tapas platter pitched at 29. The next line, a plastic tub of salted chips for 11, suddenly feels thrifty. Harvard economists replicated the stunt on a mock cabin. Passengers shown the upscale anchor spent 43% more, while a control group without it spent baseline. One carrier trialed a 42 steak plate, and average carts jumped from 13 to 21 within a month. Crafty move. Resist the temptation. Anchoring also skews ADON math. An international airline bumped its cheese board from 25 to 33 last winter. Ancillary food spend climbed 8 points, even though economy wages were flat. Total nonsense. Your workaround starts before wheels up. Pre-order any complimentary special meal in the booking portal. Vegetarian, Hindu, gluten-free. Most carriers waive snack charges if you've selected one dietary code. No special meal, use the terminal app for click-and-collect sandwiches. Pick up post-security, pay home currency rates, and board with real bread. European Regulation 1169/2011 forces transparent nutrition labels only on ground catering, not in the sky, so landside vendors must list weight and allergens. Several co-brand credit cards issue quarterly food credits redeemable for premium cabin snacks. Ask the purser to swipe before pushback, zero out the charge, and still collect loyalty spend points. One DOA-based analyst has flown 113 segments since January and hasn't paid onboard for a single morsel. Her saved receipts equal a business class upgrade fund. Menus will migrate to QR codes this year, letting airlines raise anchors dynamically mid-flight. Decide your meal budget on land. Hide the menu after takeoff. Stay hungry on your terms. Tiago refreshed the seat map 19 times. Every aisle blinked out. Behind that vanishing act sits an optimization engine that camouflages desirable seats until you've paid. Revenue management data from Amadeus showed that hiding just 5% of aisles boosts paid selection take rate from 21 to 48%, an extra $7 billion last year. Travelers panic buy. A UK poll found 63% of couples split rows rather than risk a middle, ponying up a median 45 each way. One Sydney newlywed spent more on seat fees than the hotel minibar and still ended up across the aisle from her partner. Beat the algorithm. Wait until exactly T24 hours on legacy carriers or T30 on low-cost lines. Most hold blocks auto-expire then. Log in on desktop and mobile simultaneously. Each device queries a different cache, often revealing a free aisle the other hides. For families, cite DOT's 2024 Family Seating Notice. If an adjacent seat exists, agents must reassign you gratis. 12-word breather. Middle seats are a mirage. Don't flinch. Several airline cards include priority seat credits that refill each cycle. Book the cheapest middle, apply credit after assignment, then switch to an aisle in Manage Booking with no extra charge. Systems treat the move as same cabin. EU 261 compensation won't cover seat fees, but Norwegian regulators are probing hidden seat practices. A fine could land before winter, forcing refunds retroactively. Plan ahead. A boarding pass that flashes gold at the scanner spikes on-flight credit card. Sign-ups, 41%. Airlines tested 60 color palettes. Warm metallics triggered the strongest envy response, while soft blues barely moved the needle. Upgrade clicks jumped 28% when passengers saw 10 elite tags ahead in Group 1. The price of that envy is steep. Applicants chase a 90 mile bonus, then keep a $695 annual fee rolling for years. Barclays data show average churners pay $1,987 over a 3-year cycle, almost the cost of a round-a-world ticket. One Chicago teacher joined mid-flight, missed the APR fine print, and owed more interest than the Bali vacation she'd planned. Short-circuit the glow, snap a competitor status match. Alaska, Turkish, and Virgin routinely grant mid-tier perks free for 90 days. Flash that digital card at the gate. Most agents wave you forward because systems read the alliance level, not the color. Elite shades impress. Digital proofs work just as well. US DOT mandates disclaimer screens before in-flight apps finalize. But carriers bury links behind slow Wi-Fi. Download the card's PDF guide on the ground to read real costs. Use a fee-free bank card to buy 2 cheap partner flights. Earn enough MQDs to hit starter status. Then leverage it for higher tiers worldwide without a single annual fee plastic. Next section exposes a duty-free detour that siphons 90 ahead. You step off a red-eye at Charles de Gaulle, eyes gritty, and a neon canyon of perfume towers funnels you away from baggage claim. The detour isn't cultural, it's coded. Airport master plans require all outbound foot traffic to snake through duty-free in exchange for lower aeronautical fees. Hidden toll. A 2024 IATA survey clocked travelers spending an average 90 before first passport stamp, while Copenhagen's experiment to restore a direct exit slashed revenues 37% and forced rents up 11%. Shops screamed. Corridors closed again. Impulse hurts later. Families who blew cash here reported skipping airport lounges, losing meal credits worth 42 each. One Tokyo newlywed ditched her prepaid Shinkansen tickets and paid $130 on last-minute rail when whiskey bottles tipped her carry-on overweight. Stressed dividend, shops lure, wallets empty. Break the maze. Many hubs from Doha to Dublin hide a blue gate transfer icon beside the first cosmetic stand. Follow it, and you bypass 80% of storefronts in 2 minutes. Better still, pre-order duty-free online for curbside pickup. Items are priced in home currency and dodge the 4% dynamic conversion fee kiosks add at checkout. Under EU Directive 2011/83, you hold a 14-day cooling-off period for unused goods. Hand them back landside, no questions, full refund. Select co-brand cards grant yearly airside retail credits. Swipe only for gift cards, then immediately buy nothing else. Gift cards convert later to groceries at partner supermarkets. Barcelona commuter Luis S. scaled this trick to 600 in food last year, all from one platinum plastic. 7 sensory tricks, 7 clean counters. Now the cabin is your runway, not their cash register. Peppermint blocks, cookie fog, amber lenses save sleep. T24 unlocks free aisles. And that quiet blue transfer sign dodges perfume tolls. Pocket the spare 100 for a treat on your trip. Next up, we dissect the typofee trap and the one email template that erases it in 30 seconds flat. Don't miss it. Not financial, legal, or flight advice. Verify with official airline policy.